Crocheted Lace Cords Tutorial 5. This time we'll be making a volumetric lace. Later I will show you how to use this lace in your projects. I'll show you how to make bracelets and other decorations. Let's start. Make a foundation chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet through the first chain stitch from the beginning. Now turn the work to the other side to have chain stitches on top. Chain 1 and work stitches into the chain space. Single crochet 2, 1, 2. Half double crochet, double crochet 2, 1 and second double, and treble crochet 2. Yarn over the hook 2 times for a treble stitch. Now continue. Chain 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And single crochet through the first chain stitch of our foundation chain. Now turn the work counterclockwise, make 1 chain stitch up and work into the chain space of 4. Single crochet 2, half double crochet, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, treble crochet 2, 1 and second treble 2. Then chain 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And single crochet through the first treble on previous row. Now to continue, we need to work stitches around the first treble on previous row. Here is this first treble. Insert the hook around the post and single crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, and last single crochet stitch. Then single crochet through the first chain stitch of our foundation chain. Here is this stitch. Now turn the work counterclockwise, make 1 chain stitch up and single crochet through in each of next 5 single crochet stitches. Do not skip the first stitch. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then single crochet through the next single crochet that was made through the treble stitch and continue into the chain space. Single crochet 2, 1, 2, half double crochet, double crochet 2, 1 and 2. Then treble crochet 2, yarn over the hook 2 times for a treble stitch. Then continue chain 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And single crochet through the first treble in previous row. Now turn the work to the other side and let's take a look on what we have. Those stitches that we've made around the post are standing along the post and giving a 3D look to the lace. This is the front side of our lace. Let's continue. Stay on the front side and work stitches around this first treble on previous row. Single crochet 4 around this treble post. 2, 3 and 4. Then single crochet through the first treble that is lower. We have stitches made around this treble here I've found this stitch. Here it is, and we need to work a single crochet through. Now turn the work counterclockwise to go back this row, chain 1, and do not skip the first stitch. Single crochet through in each of next 6 single crochet stitches. Work until you reach the chain space. Here is the chain space. Now continue into the chain space, single crochet 2, 1, 2, half double crochet 2, 2, and treble crochet 2, 1 and 2. Let's continue chain 4 for the chain space and single crochet through the first treble in previous row. Now do not turn the work. I'm going to continue on the front side. This beautiful edge we're making only on the front side. Back side is plain. Let's continue. Continue around the first treble. Here is this first treble. Single crochet 4 around the post. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now single crochet through the treble that is lower. Here you can see this treble. Make a single crochet through, then turn the work to the back, make 1 chain stitch up and single crochet 6 in a row. Do not skip the first stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is the chain space. Work into the chain space. Single crochet 2, half double crochet 2, 1 and 2, and treble crochet 2. Yarn over the hook 2 times for a treble stitch. Now chain 4 for a chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet through the treble stitch. Turn the work to the front and work around the same treble. Single crochet 4 around the post, around the treble post. 3 and 4, and then single crochet through the lower treble. Turn the work, chain 1, and single crochet 6 in a row till you reach the chain space. Do not skip the first stitch. Now work into the chain space. Single crochet 2, 2, then half double crochet 2, 1 and 2, and treble crochet 2, 1 and second treble. Continue with 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet through the next treble. To continue, we need to work around this post. Here we've already made a nice beautiful lace, 3D lace. From the back side it's plain. Here is the front side. I have another lace made of thinner variegated yarn. It looks very beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.